Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll present you a Star Citizen salvage guide. With the update of 3.18, salvaging was introduced as a gameplay feature allowing players to escape materials from ship hulls and repurpose or sell them. The persistent entity streaming feature enables salvaging of ships that have been left in the universe for weeks. Some of the best salvaging ships are Aegis Reclaimer, Drake Vulture, because it is smaller storage suited for solo operations through an additional crew member can help with cargo management. To do salvaging, it's similar to mining. Enter salvage mode and therefore the Reclaimer salvage operators manage these modules separate from the pilot. Just hull scraping, which is transfers salvaged materials into cargo. Another player may be needed to organize the boxes within storage area. And the multi-tool use can be used at a reduced or reduced rate of salvaging, especially useful for on-the-spot repairs. There's also crafting, which allows players to use salvaged resources to create items, potentially reducing the need to return the ports for supplies. So, this guide should help players start salvaging in Star Citizen, maximizing their gameplay experience and profits. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.